Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can add the fingerprint on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So if you want to use the fingerprint sensor in order to unlock your smartphone, the first thing that you need to do is go to the settings. In the settings you want to scroll down to security and privacy and then go there. Now choose device unlock and then choose fingerprint. Now if you have a screen lock, then you need to use it. And then we need to press the setup button in the bottom right corner over here. We have some information, and now over here we have the fingerprint sensor. So it is located in the middle at the bottom of the screen, and then you need to simply press and release it. Then we will see this check, and the next thing that we need to do is start touching and lifting our finger. And of course we need to do that several times and place your finger with different angles to make sure that you can always unlock your smartphone with your finger. And there we go. Now, of course, at the same time, we can, after that, we can set up another fingerprint if you want to, for instance, your second thumb from your left hand, or we can just press done in the bottom left corner. Over here we can also manage our fingerprints, and if we press the fingerprint sensor, then we will highlight which fingerprint option it is saved as. And there we go. Now if we lock our phone, then all we need to do is simply press our thumb at the same spot. So even if we open the lock screen like so, then we will see where it is exactly. So let's give it a try one more time. There we go. So it is located over here. But even if there is dark screen, then we can simply press like so, and we should be able to unlock our Motorola Edge 50 Pro. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.